Now today, let's start with chapter number 5, Introduction to Word 2060. In this chapter, we chatted about the uses of Word 2060 and how to start it. Then Word 2016 window, entering text in a new document and saving the document. How we can save the document. Now, first of all, let's start with the chapter. The Word is one of the most popular word processing software. ये क्या है आपका most popular word processing software. It is widely used at homes. We use it at homes, offices, and schools. Then Word 2060. It is a word processing program. What it is? It is word processing software developed by. इसने develop करा है Microsoft ने. And the word processor is a computer software which helps the user. ये users को help करता है create करने में, format करने में, edit करने में और document को print करने. Right? It also allows to create invitation card, letters using colors, putting pictures and text. Nowadays, if we talk about, it is used to type letters, make resumes and design invitation. अगर आपको resumes बनवाने हैं और if you want to make resumes or want to an advertisement, then we use it and we make it with a book. Next is uses of Word 2016. What are its uses? Its uses are type letter, applications, stories, reports quickly and easy. You can write letter, you can make invitation, or you can type stories in quick manner. Now copy and move the text from anywhere in a document. Insert pictures in a document, stories, and you can also insert pictures. You can insert your document, stories, and violin. Then check spelling and grammar. If you want to check spelling and grammar, then what we use word term. Next is change the color and font style. If you want to change the color or the font style or text of the image, that you can do it. Save the text for future use and print it in different way. And you can also print it in different ways. Next is starting Word 2016. How we will start, I will take step by step. Now, to create any kind of document in Word 2060, it is important to open it. सबसे important क्या होता है कि आपको क्या करना है इसको open करना. Then afterward, what you have to do, first of all, you have to open it. Then click on the start button, scroll down and click on Word 2060. You will scroll down and you will click on Word 2060. Right? You can type anything by using search box. Now I will tell you how we will open it. First of all, what you can do? You can do it to start it. Right? We will go to start button. Then we will search Word 2060. Here, like this, your word. Like this, our Word, Microsoft Word window will open. This is our Microsoft Word window, right? Now, we can type Word 2016 in the search bar and press enter. You can also search like that I have searched. You can search it and you can click enter. It will open the Word 2016 window on the monitor and Word poppers and displays its start screen. And what it shows? Your start screen. Right? We can choose this area to start a new document. Then click on the blank document that I have clicked. I have clicked on the blank document and your document has been opened. So like this, your Word document 1 will appear on your screen that I have shown you. Next is Word 2016 window. Its parts, we have different parts. Like what is this? This is your quick access toolbar. It's your quick access toolbar. This is your file tab and this is your ribbon tab. What it is? It is ribbon tab. This is your title bar and what are these? These are your program control ribbons. From here you can minimize, maximize and close your Word document. Right? What is this? This is your insertion point. This is your status bar. What it is your horizontal scroll. And this is the work area where you work on the Word 2016 screen. Now, first is title bar. Let's talk about title bar. It is the topmost bar which displays the current document. On that, what it shows the document, current name of the document. Then, quick access toolbar, it displays quick commands like save, undo, and view. Then file tab, we click on file tab, backstage view appears, which resembles a menu. In backstage view, there's a list of commands. We have so many list of commands. We have save command, open command, and print command. Then ribbon, it displays groups related to commands in tab. Each tab offers shortcut. What it offers? It offers shortcut buttons. Ribbon tab, each tab has a set of commands which is present in the shape of toolbar and which is related to your overall tasks to perform in a specific document. Then we have insertion point. It is a small vertical flashing line on the screen that indicates place where the text will likely appear. Whatever text you will type, it will appear on your screen. Then work area, it is the area where the work. Then tell me what you want to do, the search features which help us to find and locate your document. Right? Next is program control button. Use this button to minimize the program window and restore it to full size, or you can also close it. Then we have status bar located at the bottom of the document. What it's displaying? Number of pages, how many number of words, and error it in the document. If there is an error in the document, it also contains error. Then view button. These buttons provide different views of the document. Then we have zoom control. What is zoom control button? They are used to enlarge or reduce the view of the document. With the help of this, what you do? You reduce or enlarge the view of the document. Next, we have scroll bar. It is a vertical scroll bar which is located, where it is located right side of the screen and is used to move up and down. It helps us in moving the document up and down. Now, the horizontal scroll bar is located above the status bar and it is used to move it back and forth. Where you move? Back and forth. Next is entering text. Now, have to enter the text in the Word document. The text can be entered with the help of keyboard. We can see an insertion point just after creating a new document. It appears automatically on your left side corner. It appears automatically at the view rack. So at the end of the line, Word 2060 automatically shifts the insertion point. What it's do? Your insertion point that shifts when you write something. And we can press Enter P only to start a new paragraph. If you want to start a new paragraph, what you will do? You will click on the Enter key and your insertion point will shift to your next line. Next is saving the document. Now, you want to save the document, whatever you have written and you want to save it. How you will save? Well, we finished typing a document, we must save it for the future. It helps us to work on the same document any time you work. If you want to work in the future with that document, you can do it. Now, follow the steps to save the document. First of all, you will click on the File tab. I will show you later. And then you have to click on the Secure as Save As section. Click on Browse box. The Save As dialog box will appear. Then afterward, what you will do? Navigate the folder in which we want to save. You will navigate the folder where you want to save. This PC or the desktop, wherever you want to save, you will click and cite the name of for the document and click on the Save button. And afterward, what you will do? You will click on the Save button. Right? Now I will show you over here. First of all, what we will do? We will go to File option. Here, Save As option is there. You will click on Save As option. Wherever, like in any case, you want to save, like we have click on this PC. Like we have choose desktop, you can save and your document will be same, right? Right, this was all about Microsoft Word 2016. Hope you understood each and every topic. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.